Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue our previous topic, that was weather, climate and adaptation. So here is the first topic, effect of sun on earth. So how sun affects the climate of the particular place, and what are the things that are responsible for the change in the climate. Okay, so let's see. The amount of heat energy received at any location on the globe is direct effect of sun angle on climate, as the angle which the sunlight strikes earth varies by location, time of day and season due to earth's orbit around the sun and even earth's rotation around its tilted axis also. So, seasonal change in the angle of sunlight caused by the tilt of Earth's axis is the basic mechanism that results in warmer weather in summer than in winter, and change in day length is another factor. The next topic we have climate and adaptation. So how are the animals adapted to the different climate in the different places? Okay, so the first thing we have adaptation to the cold climate. So animals that live in these cold climates, how are they adapted to live over there? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about the polar bears, how are they so comfortable to be there? What is the uh, what is the adaptative feature of it? Okay, so the first thing which we need to note is that it has thick layer of fur, and it is two layers, and it has two thick layers of fur, so as well as the layer of fat under the skin, and it helps to keep it warm. Next we have penguins. So like penguins, seals and walruses, these are the animals that have a thick layer of fat under their skin, and that thick layer of fat is called blubber. Okay, and this blubber, it helps to keep these kind of animals warm, and this is how they are able to survive in the cold regions. Next we have birds. Birds use their feathers to protect their bodies from cold. Okay, like they have different type of feathers on their body. Okay, like body feathers, they help to cover the whole body and make it warm. Next we have adaptations to hot climates. So like in the desert, how are the animals adapted to be there and to survive over there? Okay, so basically the animals that live in the desert, they are mostly nocturnal. That means they just come out during the night to hunt for their food. Okay, and because in the daytime the temperature is very high, so this is why they are not able to survive in the hot temperature. Okay, and the snakes, desert fox and some rats can be the examples for these kind of nocturnal animals. Next and last topic of this chapter is adaptations to hot and wet climates, that means tropical rainforests. Okay, so if we talk about the monkeys, they use their hands and feet and also their tails to swing from branch to branch, and the red-eyed tree frog, it lives on trees and it has some sticky pads that help to climb the trees very quickly, and the lion-tailed macaque, so this is basically a beard ape. Okay, so this ape is also a good climber. It lives on trees and it gets all the food and it needs on trees. Some animals eat food that is eaten by no other animals. For example, toucan. It loses its long, large bill to reach fruits on weak branches. And even some animals like jaguar, it has a skin color that camouflages them with the background. And elephant, it is well adapted to living in the rainforest. Why? So what are the different features of it? It has a strong sense of smell because it uses its long trunk as a nose, and it uses its trunk to pull down fruits and leaves to eat. It uses its tusks to tear the bark from trees which it eats, and it uses its long ears to hear even soft sounds and also to cool itself in the hot and humid climate. Okay, so students, these were the topics for today. In the next video we will come with our next chapter. Until that, you just keep learning.